If you want to remove a payment method from your DAZN account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DAZN website or open the DAZN app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account for which you want to remove the payment method. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Go to payment information. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on this option to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. In the Payment Information section, you will see a list of your saved payment methods. Identify the payment method you wish to remove and select the option to edit or delete it. Step 5. Confirm the removal. After selecting the payment method to remove, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal process. After completing these steps, your payment method should be successfully removed from your DAZN account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DAZN customer support for assistance.